Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss guys how to use Strlen function in C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Kindly see the video description of this tutorial video. Okay, so here we have sharp include IOStream for input-output in C++. In order for us to use strlen function in C++, we have to include this second library file. So what is the second library file? The C string. Using namespace std int main, it is a function in C++ that will be start, and then when we terminate our program, this is also the function that is being terminated. We have here the left curly bracket, and then we have here the declaration character title one-dimensional array equals, we initialize the string here, C++ programs. In the strlen function, it will count the white space here. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it will give us 12 numbers, 12 characters. So console out, we call the strlen function, and then the title returns 0. It will return to our operating system, and we have here the right curly bracket. Okay, don't worry guys, because as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go with the dev C++ compiler. Let's say execute, compile and run. Okay, so we have here 12. So C++, 3 characters, white space 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to use and declare strlen function that will return the number of characters in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.